Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. And I don't know really what to say. Such a brutal expiry today, and this is the worst expiry I've ever seen. And for your information, many people lost huge amount of money, and I can tell from my inner circle, heavy losses. They made heavy losses in crores, more than 50. Sorry, not 50, more than 1 crore, 70 lakhs, 80 lakhs. So very huge losses were made today, and we don't know when this is going to finish. And no point seeing at the markets, no point at seeing at the open interest, no point in seeing what is the support resistance. Nothing is working, no strategy is working. And I can tell you one more thing, that we have stopped making losses this month. Last 15 or 20 days we have never made a loss. And you know why? Not because we are trading, because we were not trading. I'll just give you an idea. We used to trade, if you see our volume, I used to place between on an average 70 to 100 lots. Do you know how much I am trading now? Just 10 lots. Almost more than 7 to 8 account is just simply sitting idle. Nothing is happening. Only it is generating interest from Bharat bond. That's it. All the accounts are no activity at all in all the accounts. Volume wise, we have 90% we have cut the volume. I have stopped taking overnight position. Even if I have to take overnight position, I will make sure I hedge it very tightly, so that in case there is any big gap up or gap down, we are at least our losses are small. So no point in seeing this market. If you want, I will give you a very simple advice. Just stay away from this market. No point in fighting with this market at all. Nothing is rational. Everything is irrational, irrelevant. Nobody knows why the market went. Nifty went 200 points up today. Gap down. I think it opened flat 15,200 to 15,400. Then came below 15,400, 15,350. Then again went back to 15,400. Then came back to 15,500. Around 600 points swing in Nifty alone, and Bank Nifty is much worse. 1,600 points swing in Bank Nifty. If someone any intraday traders made money today, they are really great. But I don't know how long this is going to last, and that's why I'm saying just take vacation. If you are a full-time trader, take a vacation. This is the right time to take vacation. Go to Dubai, go to Qatar, go to Bali, have some fun with your family, or at least go to Goa, right? And if you are a part-time trader, you just focus your job on focus on your job. Just leave this market aside, let it settle down, and we'll come back after maybe 2 or 3 months, and who knows when this dilemma is going to finish. Markets are super choppy, nothing is working. Straddle, strangle, you name any strategy, nothing is working. Or you have to go ultra long term, right? This is how markets are behaving, and we'll see how things pan out. For now, I have decided I'm not going to go with full volumes, and this is not going to continue. I'll tell you, this is not going to continue. When the market stabilizes, no, then I will squeeze every inch of option buyer money. So that is how it is going to happen. But as of now, we have to be quiet and step aside and just see what is happening in the market. That's it, right? And today morning I shared one very simple strategy in our Telegram group. So this is our Telegram group. So if you want, you can join the Telegram group, for which the link is on the description below. Yeah, this is our Telegram group, and this is a very fully hedged strategy which I deployed today morning. Actually, this strategy was shared to our members in our mentorship program. So what we did is, we did a calendar strategy, We have deployed this strategy today, and we will see how this strategy works tomorrow, and I will come out with the video about the pros and cons about this strategy. You know, if we are going into calendar spreads, because calendars are the safest thing nowadays because of this volatile moves, gap ups, gap downs. I think these calendars are kind of okay. So we have deployed this strategy in spite of market moving more than Nifty moving 600 points up and down. This strategy is in a minor profit, I think. Yeah, minor profit. Of course, we did some adjustment also to that. I cannot tell what is the adjustment or what leg we have done or what modification we have done to the strategy. It will take another at least 10 or 15 minutes. So I will post a separate video about that. So if you want, you can join our Telegram group, for which the link is on the description below. It's a very dynamic and very positive, like very vibrant group. So we discuss many things about trading and stock market. So we can help each other so that we have a win-win situation, right? And today's price action, I will tell you, because yesterday I told Jerome Powell is going to the Congress and he is going to talk about increasing interest rate, and what he told is, he gave a very, very strong statement yesterday. The statement was that US may get into recession. That is a very, very strong statement. And Nifty and US market, US futures are trading in the green, means I think I don't know how to explain this. If someone comes and tells you there is a recession, are you going to be in the market, right? So he has warned the to the Congress that the recession is inevitable and it may come as soon as possible, and still the market are rallying. Maybe that could be the one reason why markets are moving volatile, highly up and down. And we really don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. As of now, as I talk to you, US futures are all in the green. Even Europe is in the green, mildly flat. I think it's flat. And even if it gaps down tomorrow, I wouldn't be surprised. Anyway, we don't have any position. We have squared off all the position. And I am sleeping, nowadays I am sleeping peacefully, right? So that's what I am saying. Just you take this video very seriously. Don't think I am arrogant. Just stay away from the market. Just do some good thing for yourself. Stay away from the market and don't try to fight these kind of stupid markets. You will be very, very happy. That's what I am saying. Just stay away from the market and spend some valuable time with your family or friends, or whatever you want to do, you can do, but don't be in the market for now, at least 2 or 3 months. Then we will see what is going to happen, right? So nothing much. I hope you understand what I am trying to say. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.